Hi everyone, in this video we are going to talk about a problem of finding the probability using the AND rule. Every cereal box has a gift inside, but you cannot tell from the outside what the gift is. The store manager assures you that 12 of the 45 boxes on the shelf have the secret decoder ring, and the other 33 boxes on the shelf have a different gift inside. If you randomly select two boxes of cereal from the shelf to purchase, what is the probability that both of them have the secret decoder ring? Okay, so we have the total of 45 boxes, and inside this 45 boxes, we have 12 of the boxes that have the secret decoder ring, right? Decoder ring. And then the other 33 boxes have a different gift inside. Now, I'm looking for the probability that both of them have the secret decoder ring. If you randomly select two boxes, let's say box A and box B. So I want P of A and B. They are both having the secret decoder ring. So what is the probability of that? Okay, so we have two boxes, and this is the multiplication rule due to the AND keyword here. So we multiply them. Now the first time that you select out the box, we are looking for that one, for the first one, to be the one that has the secret decoder ring. So that would be, we know that inside the 45 boxes, 12 of them would be the decoder ring. So we have 12 out of 45. And after you take it out, we keep it and we pick another one. And the next one is also has to be the one that contains the decoder ring. So we took out one, therefore the 12 of them, we only have 11 left because we did not put it back. So this is the without replacement. And because we took out one, the 45 total now become 44. So we only have 11 out of 44 for the second box to be the decoder ring. And then the end is the multiplication rule. So we simply multiply them together. And the answer should be 0.0667. If you multiply that using the calculator, then you should get the answer, right? 12 out of 45 multiply 11 out of 44, and then this is your answer. So this is the type of a problem using the multiplication rule without a replacement.